Plotting an arc in MapleLearn uses the circle command. For more information on the circle command, please see our previous video on it. To plot an arc, select the Geometry palette on the left of the lower toolbar, which looks like a triangle stacked on a circle and square. Then select the arc shape on the right side of the lower toolbar where the shapes appear. This will produce a circle command template. To draw an arc, the first step is to define the center of the arc, then the radius, and finally enter the two angle measures of the two endpoints of the arc. Note that the order of the angles is irrelevant. This will draw an arc anti-clockwise from the point with the first angle to the point with the second angle. Arcs can be formed using two radii from a circle as well. You can highlight the arc formed by two radii as follows. Note that we can easily change the arc by parameterizing the last angle as follows. Speaking of parameterization, sliders can be used to adjust the radius of a circle and the endpoints of an arc. For more information, please check out the how-to documents in the MapleLearn document gallery.